Hi, welcome back. Or if you're just joining, my name is Maya, and welcome to my channel, Cranleyplace, where I'm posting content on scarf style, knot tutorials, and more. In this video, I'll discuss a 90cm silk twill from Hermès's Fall-Winter 2023 collection, La Valle de Cristal by Ugo Bienvenu. This is one that I completely missed in all of my prior coverage of the season, and I have to say that it caught my eye immediately when it popped up recently on one of their websites. I'll start with some background about the artist, talk a bit about the design inspiration, and then take a deep dive into one of the available colorways for styling possibilities. Let's get started. Ugo Bienvenu is a French artist and animator known for his work in the fields of animation, illustration, and graphic design. Born in Paris, he has gained recognition for his distinctive and creative style, which often combines traditional and digital media to create visually striking and thought-provoking art. Bienvenu has worked on a variety of projects, including animated short films, music videos, and illustrations. One of his notable works is the animated short film Sous tes doigts, Under Your Fingers, which he co-directed with his creative partner, Kevin Manache. The film, released in 2014, received critical acclaim for its unique visual style and storytelling. His work often features a blend of hand-drawn elements, vivid colors, and imaginative characters. He has a talent for conveying complex emotions and narratives through his artwork, making it resonate with audiences. In addition to his animation and illustration work, Ugo Bienvenu has also collaborated with various artists and musicians. He has directed music videos for different musical acts, further showcasing his versatility and creativity. On top of his collaborations with Hermès, Bienvenu's work has also been featured in exhibitions and film festivals, and he's earned recognition for his contributions to the world of art and animation. His distinctive style and storytelling abilities continue to captivate and inspire, such as with this latest scarf design for Hermès. When it comes to crystals, there are myths and legends about valleys of crystals in various cultures and regions around the world. These myths often describe mystical or fantastical places where vast quantities of valuable and beautiful crystals can be found. While these stories are often rooted in imagination and folklore, they have certainly captured the human imagination for centuries. One of the most famous crystal-related myths is associated with the Naica mine in Chihuahua, Mexico. Deep in the mine, there's a chamber known as the Cave of Crystals, which contains enormous selenite crystals, some of which reach lengths of up to 39 feet or 12 meters. The cave itself is incredibly hot and challenging to access, so it has an otherworldly and almost mythical quality. In Tibetan folklore, there are stories of crystal mountains or crystal valleys where precious gemstones and crystals are said to grow like plants. These are mystical places, often associated with hidden treasures and the magical properties of crystals. The legendary lost city of Atlantis, as described by Plato and later mythologized, is said to have had buildings adorned with crystals. The concept of Atlantis has fueled many myths and stories about advanced civilizations that possessed extraordinary knowledge of crystals and their powers. Brazil is also known for its rich deposits of quartz crystals. While not a traditional myth, the sheer quantity and beauty of the crystals found in Brazilian caves and mines can seem almost mythical to those who encounter them. And in modern times, there are various New Age and metaphysical beliefs about crystal energy and healing. Some of these beliefs include the idea of hidden crystal valleys or special locations with powerful energies that can enhance one's well-being and spirituality. These myths and legends often serve to highlight the allure and wonder of crystals, as well as the idea that there may be hidden, magical places on Earth where such treasures can be found. While some of these stories are grounded in geological reality, they're often embellished and romanticized in folklore and popular culture. This design also features a unicorn near the center of it, and I won't spend too much time here other than to say that obviously it's a mythical creature and has no basis in the natural world. But I will say that the myth of the unicorn has been shaped and reshaped over the centuries by various cultures, and its symbolism and attributes have evolved over time. Today, unicorns are often associated with fantasy and popular culture, with a focus on their magical and whimsical qualities. I've seen this so far in at least 5 different colorways, although not all of them on the US website. For looking at color pairing possibilities, I'll use the orange, rose, and bleu colorway, which is my favorite so far of the ones I've seen. Let's think about how we could make this work across a wardrobe. First, let's look at the colors we see. Oranges, pinks, shades of blue, yellows, reds, hints of green, browns, grays, black, and white. Starting with the colorway name, orange, pink, and blue. Orange and blue are already complementary color opposites, so we know it'll pair well with those colors. Adjacent to orange are yellow and red, which we also see in the scarf. And blue's neighbors include purples and greens. There are hints of green in the scarf, and while I don't specifically see what I'd call a traditional purple, there are enough reds and blues in this colorway that I guarantee it will work with shades of that hue. Pink lies between red and purple, so its complementary color opposite is green, of which there are also hints in the scarf. Then, of course, we have the universal neutrals like browns, gray, black, and white that are usually the gimmies in many Hermès scarf designs. And as you can see, that effectively covers the whole color wheel and means that it will pair with virtually anything. Let's take a look. So there you have it, some background on this scarf from the Fall/Winter 2023 collection by Hermès, and my thoughts on color pairing possibilities. Please like and share the video if you enjoyed it, and let me know what you think in the comments. In future episodes, I'll share other scarf reviews, tutorials, and more, so be sure to hit that subscribe button to be notified of new videos. Thanks again for joining me today. Until next time!